Oh yeah, I ain't know that old Big Chief Rick, man. Yeah, man. Do y'all know if the blue crab leg meat tastes like the orange crab leg meat, or is it a different taste, or is it the same? That's what I want to know. Ooh, I'm trying to imagine getting one of them blue crab legs, dip it in some butter with some lemon. You gotta have the right mixture though. Oh, Big Chief Rick said it tastes about the same. You seen him rap? No, I ain't seen him rap yet. He can rap. He better than me? Let me see. I'm gonna check him out. What he be rapping about? Being in Australia or something? I go on a date, I grab me a mate. Oh, right lane for the win, man. Oh, he raps to chat. That's what I was doing last time. I might be on or something. Whatever chat's type. Oh, that's player. I think I could do that. He be having a beat and everything going. He use auto-tune or his regular voice. That's what I do. I freestyle. I got a whole freestyle of me. We were listening to it tonight while we were barbecuing on my YouTube channel, Lookout Racing. You could type in Lookout Racing Freestyle. You would type in Lookout Racing Freestyle. He said he doesn't miss a beat to go. I want to hear him now. I want to see what he got, man. We might make a song or something. But y'all saying he just going off anything. I'll go off. Hey, tickle pick. He really good at it. I want to see now, y'all. See, I know all the car parts and everything. I can rap all about everything because I know all the parts. Best I've seen on Twitch by far. I gotta hear him now. What he be? Oh, you say he be talking about whatever the chat saying. Oh, they having a fire contest. Now, no, B? Come on, man. Hey, you dale.
Dale para atrás para que empieces de nuevo. Dale para atrás para que empieces de nuevo. Dale. Dale más. Primero.
Oh shit, I think he beat him, y'all. This how ready. Let's play it in. Okay, come on up. Yep. Right there. Okay, he stopped at the 60 foot. That's better. That's better. He got his back tires at the 60 foot. That's better than what he was. Yeah, you good too. He right in the groove. Little bit this way. Oh yeah. Come on with it. A little bit that way, a little bit. Oh yeah, he perfect. think this one gonna be your best ride. Hold on, don't get them hyped up. Dang, should I tell him? Oh, I ain't got time to tell him yet. He's ready. Come on, man. Look, he's ready. He's ready, y'all. Right lane again with the wind, y'all. Right lane for the wind. Alright, y'all. Look out, Twisted Soul. Twisted Soul, we got Twisted Soul in here in the building, y'all. I think what we're gonna do, let me see. Make sure y'all all have a good night first off. I'm gonna be doing some more content on Twitch later on. We're gonna host the real Shookin' today for the first time, Twisted Soul. So we're gonna host him. Appreciate the sub, OZB9. Appreciate that, man. I sure do appreciate that. That was player. We had a good night, y'all. Good night at the hood track. I'm gonna keep y'all updated, you know what I'm saying? Still working on the podcast, trying to make sure I'm gonna get everything right, get the people to the podcast who wanna be there, and that's nice. So y'all got any input or questions, you know what I'm saying? Give me a whisper or a shout out in my inbox. Look Out Racing, you know what I'm saying? Rob One Time, Soup Mike, Team Thundercock, Twisted Soul. I appreciate all of y'all, man. Look out for the one time, Y'all have y'all a good night. Yeah, host.